make this fun Halloween wreath. So I'm gonna start with my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm gonna fold it in half and lay it down into my Bowdabra, just tucking the ends underneath so it stays out of my way. Now I'm gonna take this really fun purple mesh. I'm just gonna scrunch it down into my Bowdabra, and I'm gonna fold it back and forth. Take my wand and just give everything a really good push. Now I'm gonna take this gold ribbon and scrunch this down in here. Now I've already dovetailed the ends of my ribbon. All I do is fold the ribbon in half, and you're just gonna cut from the corner into the crease, and that gives you your great dovetailed ends. Now I'm gonna take this really pretty ribbon. Oh, you know what, I didn't show you what I was doing here. So I'm twisting, pushing it down. So now the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. But when I come back here, I'm gonna make sure that the right side of the ribbon is facing up. Now I'm gonna take this is a really pretty sheer with little orange glitter on it. And then I have this cute little spider that we made. All I did is take felt and just made a little felt circle for the head and one for the body, used a hole punch, and then put the chenille stems, just weaved them through. So you have the 8, and then put a puff here and just 2 little buttons for the eyes. And so I'm just gonna take 2 of the chenille legs, the chenille stem legs, put those into my Bowdabra. Then I'm gonna take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through, and kind of bring it around their legs. And now I'm just gonna pull this through my slipknot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Now I'm gonna pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring them around to the back. Finish shaping out my bow, and you have this really cool decoration. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.